Hello and welcome to our Appvent series by Swarmit, your weekly inspiration from the Atlassian Marketplace. This December, we are presenting 4 exciting videos featuring powerful apps that take your work with Atlassian to the next level. Today, we are diving into a very special app that simplifies your user management. There is a lot to discover, so let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Marcel, and I'm an Atlassian consultant at Swarmit, specializing in Jira and Confluence. I'm happy to guide you through today's video. I'm thrilled to have Simen joining me today to showcase an app from Kantega. Simen, it's great to have you here. Would you like to introduce yourself and your company to our viewers?
Sure. Thanks for being here, Marcel. So, yes, I'm Simen. I'm the partner manager for Kantega. I've been partner manager now for a little bit over 2 years. Kantega is mainly known for their SSO products. We've been on the marketplace now for over 10 years, selling SSO products for Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, and Bamboo. Now things are moving more into cloud-driven, I guess I would say cloud-driven days. So what we've also done now is we've created a cloud application based on a feature that we had built into the SSO products. The product is called User Cleanup Deactivation. It's both for Jira, JSM, and Confluence. And we also created this as a standalone application for DC as well. So I'll be happy to have a walkthrough and show you how it works.
Thank you for your introduction, and I'm really excited to see the app in action. So please show us what the app can do.
Sure. You can see my screen now.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Great. After you set up this product, you'll get an overview over your license base. You'll have a dashboard where you can see what sort of user activity you have within your Jira instance in this case. So you'll have your, for example, protected users, you have active users, you have low usage and inactive users, and they are displayed here on this bar where you can have a very quick and easy way of actually seeing how optimized your license space is. So for example, here you have quite a few on this low usage bar. You have quite a few that you can see that are inactive users, as well as you have the overview over your unused licenses. Below, you can see the different kind of tiers that Atlassian offers, and you can also then see how far or how close you are to moving into another tier, or how close you are to moving down a tier. When it comes to what classifies as a low usage and inactive user, you can go into the settings bar and you can actually change that yourself. So for example, here you can go down and let's say you classify an inactive user as someone who's been deactivated in this case, or non-active for 28 days, and low usage can be 20 days in this example. You can change if you have a monthly or annually billing plan, as well as go ahead, Marcel.
Sorry, you also talked about the protected users previously.
Yes.
What can you classify this?
Yeah, so when it comes to protected users, you can also go into the settings bar and you can change or add what you classify as protected users. So for example, here we only have org admins, but you can add more. It could be like CEOs, etc., that you never want to really clean up even if they're inactive. So you have a lot of options as to what classifies as the different kind of criteria here. And after you had this overview over the licenses, you might want to do actions based on that. And on the scheduling and cleanup site, you can set up schedules. So, for example, you can go in here. You can choose if you want to clean up Jira or JSM. You have different kind of criteria you can choose. You can do all, you can do managed, you can do external, and you can also set up the inactivity threshold right here. As well as you can choose what sort of action. For example, if you do add to list for review, that will give you a dry run of the cleanup. So you can go through, see if this cleanup is correct, and then you can do actions based on that. As well as you can also set up time zones. So let's say if you have summer students within your company, and you know by the 1st of September that whole group of people needs to be removed from the access group, you can set up time from when it's supposed to be cleaned up. So, you know, by the 1st of September, for example, that user group will be cleaned up.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, you can also do manual cleanups in case you want to do a cleanup from one day to another, in case you want to free up licenses. If you have, for example, a lot of employees starting the day after, and you're getting low on valuable or available licenses, you can do manual cleanups. As well as you can also check out the history tab, where you have the previous cleanups that you've done, and you can also go back and see who was affected by that cleanup. Any questions regarding that, Marcel?
Yeah, I see the schedules cleanups. How many multiple schedules can you create, or is the possibility there to?
Yeah, so you have the possibility of, I'm not sure actually how many you can make, but you can make plenty. So you can do multiple scheduling within this product, which is kind of, it's unique compared to the, for example, our SSO products, where with the integrated feature. So you could do a lot of rules that are within this product to optimize your licenses. And if you go into the users tab here also, you'll be able to inspect users. Either you can do all, everybody that is within the Jira instance, or you could you can also base this users tab on the cleanup that you've just done. So you can go in here and you can inspect the users. You can also do searches on names. You can do searches on roles, etc. So yeah, in here you have a lot of data that you can check out. For example, what sort of activity the users have done. So in this case right here, you can only see user viewed, but you have user edited, etc. So you can actually go more into details on how this product, or how this product is used by your users. So that is actually the product, pretty compressed, and the sort of an easy overview of the product in itself.
Perfect. Thank you very much for this short overview. I'm sure many admins will like this automated work instead of all the manual work you have to do with user management.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And that is on that point, as you know, when it comes to user management in cloud, it's not that easy to do yourself. So with this application, you will have a great overview over your license base, how it can be optimized, and you can actually do actions and clean up those inactive users.
Yeah, will save you money if you don't hop over the next tier and so on. That's perfect. Yeah.
That is one of the main use cases for this product, is to, of course, you can save save a lot of money by preventing to move over to new license tiers. But as well as you can also use this for compliance, to actually deactivate users that shouldn't have access to your Jira JSM instance, or Confluence for that.
Works into the security reason that
For sure.
there is. Yeah. Maybe regarding security, one more question.
Yeah.
Data residency. Where is your data stored? Do you handle that?
So this product is created on the Forge platform and supports data residency. So all the data that is stored on this application is also stored on Atlassian infrastructure. So yeah, it's secure within those within that framework.
You don't add any more risk to the app. It's all Atlassian. What's fantastic,
Let them,
right?
and the
Let them handle the risks. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, maybe to wrap things a little bit up, you already mentioned a little bit your main use case, but maybe you can give us some more detail.
So what we at least see from our customers and when we talk to Jira admins out there, one of the main use cases for this product, as I said, is if you are right above a threshold where you or right above a tier and you pay for licenses that are basically unused. You can use this application to first get an overview over how many licenses that you can deactivate, and hopefully you'll also then be able to scale down to another tier. Another use case of this application is, of course, if you're getting close to move into another tier, but you don't necessarily want to pay for a full tier of a lot of unused licenses, you can keep these scheduling cleanups to prevent you to actually move into another tier. Of course, and that's where it comes in with what classifies as an inactive user. So one customer might have a cleanup which is based on 60 or 90 days, while we have others that might be using for every week. So it's a very flexible tool to clean up your users and optimize your license space, basically.
Thank you very much for showing us the app and also for your answers to our questions.
Perfect.
So
I'll give you back access.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks. I think you should now see my screen again.
Yep.
Wonderful. So if now anybody is wondering how to implement this app, we at Swarmit are here to help. We support our customers in seamlessly integrating such powerful apps into our customers' environments. We support you from consulting to implementation to ongoing support. In Switzerland, you can find us in Zurich and Lausanne, or anytime at swarmit.ch. Yeah, this was our stop for this week's Appvent series. I hope you gained some valuable insights. Once again, a big thank you, Simen, for your great presentation and for being here with us today.
Happy to be here.
And we wish all our viewers the best of luck for their projects. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.